And welcome to week 19 of our house build here in the Philippines. As you can see, things have progressed even in the rain. It's February the 8th right now, and it's in the early afternoon and it is pouring rain. But as you can see, there's been good progress on the finishing of the house. So please like and subscribe, and the house build should hopefully finish in about 8 weeks, 8 to 9 weeks. As you can see, the finishing is progressing nicely on the left-hand side. Rendering of the outside is mostly done. They've marked out the window frames on this left-hand side, so it's all looking really, really nice. The roof is completely finished now. Both sides and the centre is all done. That was a good bit of progress from last week. But yeah, it looks really like a house on the outside now, and they've made really steady progress on the inside. Most of the crew's here actually today, but it's Fiesta in a local barangay on this next weekend, so they won't be working next week, and they volunteered to work today. But it's raining too hard and the site was closed this morning. As you can see, the swimming pool needs a bit of work because it's turned brown. We'll have to do something about that. And looking back, it's actually been cleared, land's been cleared back towards the front right-hand corner of the property. But it's just the last few days have just been bucketing down rain. And as you can see, the orange box on the wall there, that's the electrician's been there, and he started marking out where the switches are and all the conduit, so he can come in. There's two guys on the electrical team, and the guy doing all the bashing out of the conduit paths is in there now. Here's the crew, all happy, but they're not working today, which they're not happy about. But anyway, there is our walk-in pantry. It's a nice big pantry. We plan to have a lot of kitchen things in there as we start getting productive on our property. Back into bedroom 3, you can see the power points have all been embedded into the wall. Power point up high for the air conditioner, down low is just the power points. And you can just see there, they've marked out the string lines for the floor. There's a light switch to be put in. They actually chip all that out of the block work. Yeah, it's just the way to do things here, but the end result's looks quite good. And there you go. That's the main bathroom. It's only fairly small, but you only need it fairly small. All looks good. That's sort of halfway done with the walls there. Electrician's been in there. Back to our pantry on the left. On the right hand side where the guys are, that is our balcony. And to the left, just another view of the few power points to go in there. This on the left hand side now, that's a basic kitchen's going to be up that wall there. Just a basic range and a big oven and range down there. Refrigerator on the left there, and then a floating island. Or an island. It's not floating, but nothing to float on. And our TV's going up on that wall there. And as we go up front, on the right hand side, that'd be a big window. And as we walk through, we have the main bedroom. You can see the electrician's started in here, and someone's left their cock behind. We have a stray cock in the master bedroom. As you can see, the electrician's done some work in here. On this wall, that'll be for the TV. Power points beside, you haven't done that side. And light switch. And windows out. And this is our quite big walk-in closet storage space. And in the back is our master ensuite, which compared to the other bathroom is quite big, and there's good reason for that. And back to our main living area. As you can see, it's all backfilled. They've made good progress on the wall, rendering all the walls. So it really looks like it's taking shape right now. They've even done the window, marked out the window frame, and it's all looking really good. And just another look at the pool. Yep, it's a bit dirty at the moment, but we'll get that cleaned up. In the pump room on the left there, it made good progress on that. It's all rendered inside. They were going to take the block work a bit higher, but they've decided just to leave it a bit lower and just put a railing on top. There's going to be a tank, a big water tank on top of that, which should hopefully give us the pressure we need. If not, we'll get a pressure tank. So please keep watching, and hopefully we keep making good progress, even though it's raining. Good progress is being made, and really happy with how it's looking. It's really starting to look like a really nice house.